Okay, students, now today I'll start the chapter, that is the name of the chapter is conversation or dialogue. What is dialogue or conversation? That here two people talk between themselves, or it may be three people talk among themselves as well. So dialogue or conversation, same thing. It may be between two friends, it may be between a seller and a buyer, it may be between a student and a teacher or whatever. Okay, so dialogue here, remember one thing, that the number of dialogues should be equal. For example, if the dialogue is between a student and a teacher, then if the student gives 10 dialogues, then the teacher must give 10 dialogues. Means equal number of dialogues both of them will give. दोनों को equal number dialogue देने हैं. Okay. So today I'll teach you the first topic, that is dialogue conversation. तो दोनों के लिए same नाम होता है. तो first I am writing the question here and then I'll start the answer. That's what you have to write, and definitely you have to write the question as well. Okay, तो पहले question उतार देता हूँ. It is a question. I'm writing here. Question class 8. It is for class 8 mainly. Okay, so I am writing the question: frame a dialogue between a student and a teacher on how to improve communication in English. Because many students cannot communicate properly, right? Once they start speaking in English, तो English में बात करनी नहीं आती है या बीच-बीच में रुक जाते हैं वे, right? So it is a kind of, the teacher will give tips to the student and the student will ask question how to improve communication or dialogue while speaking in English. Okay, so this is the question. Now I am starting the answer part. First here the student is asking, so I am writing first, one time you have to write student, another time you have to write teacher. In this manner you need to continue the dialogue, right? तो पहले student लिखते हैं. Remember, every time I am not going to write student. For student I am writing S, for teacher I am writing T. ठीक है, चलो. So for student I have written S and circle मैंने इसमें डाल रखा है. First write down good morning sir. Now teacher, same to you. Same to you my dear. Why do you look worried? तो फेस से वो जो बच्चा है वो worried दिख रहा है, इसलिए टीचर पूछ रहे हैं why do you look. Why are you looking से बेहतर है why do you look, because for the verb look ing is actually grammatically speaking not acceptable. Okay, so why do you look worried? Here meaning of the word look is not देखना, it is दिखना. Okay, again now I have given question mark definitely. Now student, sir, I hesitate to speak English while. तो while is a kind of connector. while के बाद क्या डालते हैं, डायरेक्टली वर्ब की जो ing फॉर्म है उसे डाल देते हैं. तो while communicating, ठीक है. I hesitate, हिचकिचाता हूं, that is the meaning to speak English. E capital letter means इंग्लिश में जब बात करने की कोशिश करता है. while communicating as I am lost at the middle. मतलब बीच में बोलते बोलते रुक जाता है, समझ में नहीं आता है कि क्या बोलें. दैट इज द मीनिंग. as I am lost at the middle. So in this manner, write easy English. There should not be any grammatical mistake, spelling mistake. Easy English. Don't use any bombastic word. Now next is teacher. It is, you may write its as well. It's are common. So always use block letter, the first word, right? तो sentence का जो first word है उसका पहला जो letter होता है, you must write in block letter. You need this, you know this. Yeah, I need not tell you. It's a common problem faced by many students. It's a common problem faced by many students. So already it's a common problem. बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं जिनको प्रॉब्लम होती है जब अंग्रेजी में बात करते हैं. So that's why the teacher is saying it's a common problem faced by many students. By saying this, the teacher is trying to motivate the student that it is not a problem that only you only face, right? So इसके बाद कौन आ रहा है? Student आ रहा है. I know, sir. Full stop. Please give me tips. मेरे को आप टिप्स दीजिए. Give me tips on how to continue okay, conversation without a hesitation. Full stop. Now I have to erase, okay, and after student whose dialogue will come, definitely the teacher's dialogue or conversation will come, okay. So I am erasing this part. Already you must have seen the question, so I am erasing this part. Student के बाद जो आ रहा है teacher. First of all, so what are the points how to improve English? I mean communication here I am talking about. First of all, increase your stock of words. Stock of words अगर नहीं बढ़ेगा तो बच्चों को बोलने में दिक्कत जरूर होगी, right? So increase your stock of words. You may write another word enhance as well, because enhance and increase same meaning. बढ़ाना, that is the meaning. Increase your stock of words. It is tips number 1. Secondly, feel confident. तो अंदर से जो फीलिंग होती है, कॉन्फिडेंस सी फीलिंग होनी चाहिए. You must feel that I am very confident. If you think I will forget, I will not able to speak, तो definitely practically the same thing will happen. तो अंदर से आत्मविश्वास पूरा होना चाहिए, right? So secondly, feel confident. Third, think in English. If you think in Hindi or any other language like Marwari or whatever it may be, and if you translate, definitely at the end of the day you must stop. जरूर रुक जाओगे बार बार. तो इससे बेहतर क्या है, इंग्लिश में ही सोचा करो और उसको निकाला करो. Okay, so feel confident. Third, or you may write thirdly, think in English. Thirdly, think in English and use your thoughts. अपनी सोच को, use your thoughts. Here thought is not the second form, it's the noun. So सोच, that is called thought, you know very well. Use your thoughts through. तो अपनी सोच को हम एक्सप्रेस करते हैं तब हम बोल पाते हैं. सो थॉट्स थ्रू, THROUGH के जरिए, योर एक्सप्रेशंस. So these are the points you need to remember. Practice is also very important, right? You need to practice. Now the student is saying, तो उसने तो टिप्स ले ली, ओके, तो बच्चा क्या कह रहा है, सर आई ऑलरेडी, राइट, आई हैव ऑलरेडी, मैं कर चुका हूं, आई हैव ऑलरेडी, ए एल, डोंट राइट ए डबल एल, कॉमन मिस्टेक्स फॉर फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स, आई हैव ऑलरेडी ट्राइड टू involve myself, I have already tried to involve myself in these steps of improvement. Okay, so now it is the टर्न ऑफ द टीचर, तो टीचर की बारी है. सो टीचर टी, यस योर, सो टीचर नीड्स टू मोटिवेट, बच्चे को मोटिवेट तो करना ही होगा, राइट. यस योर अटेम्प्ट, कोशिश, कदम उठाना, राइट. योर अटेम्प्ट इज क्वाइट प्रेज वर्दी, तो प्रशंसा की लायक है, दैट इज द मीनिंग, जिसे हम प्रेज कर सकते हैं, राइट. प्रेज वर्ड, इट्स अ सिंगल वर्ड, PRAISE, एंड स्पेलिंग ऑफ वर्दी WORTHY, राइट. क्वाइट प्रेज वर्दी, फुल स्टॉप. यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस, तो बच्चे को तो प्रैक्टिस तो करनी ही होगी, चाहे वो किसी के साथ प्रैक्टिस करें या खुद प्रैक्टिस करें, राइट. बड़बड़ाए, वॉट एवर, थिंक इन इंग्लिश एंड ट्राई टू स्पीक, देन डेफिनेटली एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक कंटिन्यूअसली विदाउट अ हेजिटेशन, देयर इज नो डिनाइंग. यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस, रिमेंबर प्रैक्टिस, नीड टू, इसके बाद जो आ रहा है वर्ब आ रही है प्रैक्टिस, तो PRACTISE, एंड नाउन प्रैक्टिस, दैट इज PRACTICE. ओके, few things I am reminding you. You need to practice a lot, full stop. Sometimes with your friends in school, तो जिनको अंग्रेजी आती है तो उनके साथ ही तो प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी. Sometimes with your friends in school, and sometimes do it yourself. जब साथ में कोई नहीं रहेगा तो खुद को ही प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. So sometimes do it yourself. Do it yourself, then you may write only. Okay, do it yourself only. So here the teacher has given some valuable tips. Now student, your motivations are precious, अमूल्य, अनमोल, राइट. तो उन्होंने मोटिवेट किया है बच्चे को, तो बच्चा ये कह रहा है कि आपने जो मोटिवेशन दिए हैं तो ये मेरे लिए अनमोल हैं, राइट. सो योर मोटिवेशंस आर प्रेशियस, PRE not ACIOUS, precious for me, full stop. I will try to implement. I will try to implement. Okay, so it is student. Now teacher, it's the last for this particular dialogue. Teacher, all the best. Keep learning and practicing. सीखते रहो और प्रैक्टिस करते रहो, राइट. कीप लर्निंग, LEARNING. आफ्टर द वर्ड कीप यू हैव टू यूज द वर्ब ING. कीप के बाद वर्ब की जो ING फॉर्म होती है तो उसे ही यूज करते हैं. ओके, कीप लर्निंग एंड प्रैक्टिसिंग. full stop, and last one sentence for the teacher as well. Whenever you face any trouble, take help from, कहां से हेल्प ले सकते हैं? डेफिनेटली गूगल से, राइट, डेफिनेटली डिक्शनरी से, एंड टीचर तो है। टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम गूगल, कॉमा डिक्शनरी, DICTIONARY, and of course your English teacher. Okay, I am giving 1-2 more dialogues because बच्चे को थैंक यू तो बोलना ही है, राइट? स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू so much for guiding me. Guide means सही रास्ता दिखाना, right? सटीक रास्ता. Here guiding, GUID, guide, it's a noun and also a verb, right? So E will be removed because you are adding ing. Guiding me. Last, teacher, because the student started the dialogue. So teacher, welcome my dear. So your this conversation or dialogue part ends here. Okay. Second thing, I'll write one more dialogue. That is, that dialogue will be between a buyer and a seller. Okay. So it is topic number 2. It is done. Now I am writing the question, that is frame a dialogue. Frame a dialogue between a seller, बेचने वाला विक्रेता, और खरीदने वाला क्रेता, राइट? बिटवीन अ सेलर, ACLLER, एंड अ बायर on the matter of purchase. On the matter of purchase. So here what is the thing? That's what is not mentioned. You may write anything. You may think that the seller, the buyer has gone to a book shop. You may think the buyer has gone to a garment selling shop. Choice is yours. Okay. मैंने किसी choice को नहीं दे रखा है. Only I have written. Now you have to, but here definitely I have to select a choice, right? तो ये question मैंने दे दिया. Now you have to start the dialogue. Okay. Here the seller remains inside the shop and the buyer comes to. Usually the seller actually welcomes the buyer, approaches. I mean the buyer actually approaches the seller, but the seller starts usually talking first, right? यही होता है, पहले seller ही बोलने लगते हैं. तो here for seller I am writing SE because SELLER, and for buyer I will write BU. ठीक है, चलो. Now seller think that the buyer has entered the shop in the evening time. So seller क्या कहेंगे? Good evening, sir. Full stop. How may I help you? How can I help you? Both are okay. Okay. But here I am writing how may I help you. It sounds slightly better. Okay. Because we say may I help you. We usually do not say can I help you. तो उसके पहले अगर किसी WH वर्ड को यूज करना होगा तो हाउ मे आई इज बेटर डेफिनेटली रादर देन हाउ कैन आई. हाउ मे आई हेल्प यू. इसने क्वेश्चन तो पूछ लिया है, इसके बाद बारी है बायर की. सो आई सेड दैट बायर आई एम राइटिंग BU. ओके. बायर इज सेइंग गुड इवनिंग. ही इज ऑल्सो रिप्लाइंग. ही इज क्वाइट पोलाइट. ओके. प्लीज show me a gift that is suitable for a 7-year-old boy. Think that the buyer will attend the birthday party of a 7-year-old boy who goes to school, and the buyer is the neighbor of that particular school going boy. बायर को एक पार्टी अटेंड करनी है जो बर्थडे पार्टी होने जा रही है एक बच्चे की है जो 7 साल का है, राइट? तो उसकी पार्टी में वो क्या देगा, गिफ्ट क्या देगा उसने नहीं सोचा है, तो उसको बातचीत करनी होगी जो सेलर है उनके साथ, राइट? आई थिंक यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. गुड इवनिंग, प्लीज शो मी अ गिफ्ट दैट इज सुटेबल फॉर a 7-year-old child. 7-year-old child, needless to say that the child is a school going child. स्कूल में जाता होगा, मतलब जरूर जाता है. And boy as well. Child, comma, write down a boy, because usually sometimes the choice for a boy and a girl, the choices for a boy and a girl may differ, right? So he is mentioning that the child is a boy. Okay. Now I have to erase this part. So what is the seller saying? Okay, I will or I shall, I will show you. So here the seller needs to show many products, not one thing only. अलग अलग चीजें भी दिखानी होती है, right? Because once the buyer sees many things, A, B, C, D, 4 different sorts of things, then at the end of the day he needs to decide. Okay, that's why the seller needs to show many gamut of products. So okay, I will show you various gifts. Now I think you understand there are two sorts of gifts. One gift that is not used on a regular basis, that may not be as important as the another type of gift can be, means kind of showpiece. That thing you have to place at a particular place inside the cupboard or almirah or on the shelf or whatever it is. But for a gift just like a school bag, tiffin box, valuable water bottle, or nowadays different sorts of water bottles are also found in the market. For example, copper bottle, steel bottle, right there. Nowadays, according to doctors, the water once you sip out of a copper bottle as well, it is good for your body, because nowadays people are saying not to use plastic bottles. People are telling like this. तो plastic bottle का use भी कम होता जा रहा है और copper bottle, glass bottle और steel bottle का use भी ज़्यादा हो रहा है आजकल. Okay, so here actually the buyer has thought that he will give something that is actually usable, that can be used regularly by the child. Okay, I will show you various gifts. Buyer, तो ये इन्होंने कहा है कि मैं आपको अलग अलग टाइप के गिफ्ट्स मैं दिखाऊंगा. तो अब इनको बोल रहा है कि मेरे को यूं गिफ्ट दिखाओ जो बच्चे के लिए बहुत ही फायदेमंद हो जाए, यूजेबल हो जाए हर दिन के लिए. ओके, सो द बायर इज सेइंग प्लीज, यूजुअली इट्स अ वे ऑफ टॉकिंग, प्लीज show me few gifts that are usable on a regular basis, that are usable on a regular basis. I am scheduled. You know there are two sounds, schedule, schedule. Okay, schedule it is British English and schedule it is USA English. Both are right, दोनों ही सही होते हैं. I am scheduled or I am scheduled, D-U-L-E-D. Here you are using scheduled as an adjective. मेरे को जाना होगा, that is the meaning. मेरा schedule बना हुआ है. I am scheduled to attend, A-T-T-E-N-D, a birthday party. Don't say birthday, it's birthday. Okay, a birthday party. तो जैसे इन्होंने कहा है कि रेगुलर बेसिस वाली चीजें मेरे को देखनी है, ऑलरेडी देन द सेलर हैज अंडरस्टूड कि इनको क्या क्या सामान दिखाने हैं. He has understood, right? So now the next dialogue that is coming out of the seller very well I will show you costly. Now again there are two categories, costly and not so costly. Cheap, I am not using the word cheap, means there is no parameter for cheap. What is the meaning of cheap? सस्ता. तो सस्ते का मतलब क्या होता है, right? तो expensive, costly और not so costly. Here I will show you, because cheap means if you say cheap तो क्वालिटी के बारे में भी जब हम बोलते तो उसे भी हम cheap बोल सकते हैं. That's why I am not using this particular word. Okay, I will show you costly as well as नॉट सो कॉस्टली प्रोडक्ट्स. तो दो टाइप के प्रोडक्ट्स उन्हें दिखाने हैं. ओके, वेरी वेल, आई विल शो यू कॉस्टली एज वेल एज नॉट सो कॉस्टली प्रोडक्ट्स. पॉज. तो इसको बोलने के बाद उनको बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स भी लाने हैं अंदर से. So now that's why I am giving pause, means there is a kind of break, there is no conversation. Now the same seller will start talking, right? Here they are. Here they means बहुत सारे products. तो he has brought different sorts of products from inside the shop as well. और एक एक करके सामान को रखते जा रहे हैं, right? Here they are. Now give full stop as well. You may make your choice. You may choose, but it sounds better. You may make your choice. Choice is a noun, choose is a verb. You may make your choice out of. तो बहुत सारे रखें. That's say out of. Okay. The bags, tiffin boxes, out of the bags, tiffin boxes, metallic, METALLIC and METALIC both are right. Metallic, it is the old spelling. तो metallic means कॉपर की बॉटल या फिर स्टील की बॉटल, राइट? मेटेलिक वाटर बॉटल्स, एंड सो ऑन. नाउ इट इज बायर. दे लुक. तो 7 साल का जो बच्चा है उसके लिए जो सामान हम खरीदेंगे तो वो भी थोड़ा सा कलरफुल दिखना चाहिए. इट नीड्स टू लुक कलरफुल सो एज टू अट्रैक्ट द आईज ऑफ द चाइल्ड, राइट? सो दे लुक वेरी कलरफुल एंड नाइस. व्हाट इज द प्राइस? और राइट वन थिंग, व्हाट आर द प्राइसेस? बिकॉज जब इन्होंने सारी चीजों को सारी चीजों को देखा है तो उनको लग रहा है कि ये भी हो सकता है कि सारी चीजों की प्राइस लगभग इक्वल हो जाए. ओके, व्हाट आर द प्राइसेस? व्हाट आर द प्राइसेस ऑफ दीज, प्लूरल नंबर, दिस के लिए दीज, दैट के लिए दोस, राइट? Of these items. Now seller is saying, now seller actually has shown various types of products. There can be a huge range starting from 400 rupees, 350 rupees and up to 1500 rupees as well. तो इनको क्या पूछना है सेलर को कि आपका रेंज क्या है, आप जो प्रोडक्ट या गिफ्ट देने जा रहे हो तो उसकी प्राइस लगभग कितनी होनी चाहिए, राइट? ही विल आस्क seller, what is the price range? What is the price range? मतलब लगभग कितनी प्राइस वाली चीज आपको देनी है. ओके, what is the price range that you can afford here? Afford मतलब कुछ करना, कुछ कर पाना, AFFORD, इट इज द वर्ब ऑफ एफर्ट. EFFORT जो नाउन होता है उसी की वर्ब है ये अफोर्ड. AFFORD, okay, that you can afford here. In English you cannot find a specific meaning, it's all about understanding. Already you have understood this thing. What is the price range that you can afford here? So definitely you have to give a question mark, right? Next, तो इनको बताना है कि प्राइस रेंज इनकी कैसी है या कितनी है. सो नाउ द बायर इज सेइंग द अपर लिमिट. तो व्हाट इज द प्राइस रेंज? इन्होंने भी कुछ सोच रखा है कि इससे ज्यादा प्राइस नहीं होनी चाहिए, इससे कम भी नहीं होनी चाहिए. ओके, सो ही इज नॉट मेंशनिंग द लोअर लिमिट बिकॉज लोअर लिमिट ही कैन नॉट डिसाइड ओनली बिकॉज द सेलर ऑल्सो कैन डिसाइड बिकॉज द सेलर हैज एन नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. तो जो सबसे जो सस्ता जो सामान होता है उसकी प्राइस क्या है ये तो सेलर का डिसीजन है, राइट? दैट्स व्हाई ही इज नॉट मेंशनिंग बिकॉज ही हैज ऑलरेडी अंडरस्टूड कि ये जो प्राइस है इससे कम प्राइस वाली चीज नहीं मिलेगी. दैट्स व्हाई ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू से एनीथिंग अबाउट द लोअर लिमिट. ही हैज टू से समथिंग अबाउट द अपर लिमिट. ओके, सो द अपर लिमिट must not be more than रुपीज 500. ही सेइंग कि इससे ज्यादा महंगा सामान मेरे को नहीं गिफ्ट के लिए नहीं देना है. नाउ सेलर नाउ थिंक दैट बैग्स it can be there may be a bag whose price is almost like around 500 rupees. Tiffin box may not be, it may be cheaper than this. Metallic water bottles, for example steel and copper, it is around 500 or maybe more than that depending on the size of the bottle. छोटी bottle उसकी price कम होगी, बड़ी वाली तो उसकी price ज्यादा होगी, right? Seller is saying then it is not understandable, then the copper water bottle could be the best choice. Could here it is probability and highest probability future. Okay, सबसे ज्यादा यही अच्छी होगी, that is the meaning. Water bottle could be the best. क्या है सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, उसके पहले दा तो डालना ही होगा. कुड बी द बेस्ट चॉइस. समटाइम्स तो इनको एक अपनी जो बात है तो उनको बातों को विंडिकेट भी करना होता है. ही नीड्स टू विंडिकेट हिज ओन स्टेटमेंट. कि जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं कई बार ये पानी पीते हैं जहां पे पानी मिल जाता है, इसके बाद बीमार भी पड़ जाते हैं, इसलिए कि घर से पानी स्कूल में भी कैरी करना चाहिए. और पानी कहाँ रखें? प्लास्टिक वाली बॉटल पे नहीं रखना चाहिए आजकल. सो दैट्स व्हाई इन दिस मैनर ही इज गिविंग हिज ओन बिकॉज ही नीड्स टू close the deal, he needs to sell the bottle and he needs to make a profit of 150 200 whatever 100 rupees, right? So sometimes children बच्चे, because he is talking about all the children, please don't write children's. children's का मतलब होता है children के बाद apostrophe है जिसका मतलब होता है बच्चों का. okay, so sometimes children fall ill. Sometimes children fall ill, बीमार पड़ते हैं after drinking contaminated, प्रदूषित पानी जिसमें प्रदूषण ज्यादा होता है, contamination. So contaminated, it is the adjective, right? Drinking contaminated water full stop. That's why all students should carry water from home full stop. Nowadays then comma डाल देते हैं. Nowadays आजकल doctors, here I am not writing the doctors because specifically plural number के लिए the तब डाल सकते हैं जब ये specific हो जाए. Here I am talking about all the doctors. Okay, तो nowadays doctors advise all to keep water कहाँ पे मना करते हैं? प्लास्टिक बॉटल में रखने से मना कर देते हैं, राइट? टू कीप वाटर नॉट इन प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स, नॉट इन, इट्स अ वे ऑफ राइटिंग, नॉट इन प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स, रादर, दैट मीन्स बल्कि, तो जहां पे गाइड करते एडवाइस करते हैं, रादर इन कॉपर और स्टील बॉटल्स. Okay, it has been seen that copper bottles are the best bottles. Copper bottles are even better than steel bottles as well. Okay, copper or steel bottles. So in this, by saying this, he is trying to close the deal. उनको तो बातें सुनानी है ताकि ये जो कस्टमर है, खरीदार है, तो ये खरीद लें, right? So now after the seller, the buyer is saying it's correct, then write carefully THEN, फिर right, don't write THEN, then pack the copper bottle by the way. There is another way of saying by the by. Okay, by the way, by the by, same, BY, by the by, what is the exact price? What is the exact price of this THIS? What is the exact price of this? तो सेलर को प्राइस भी बतानी है. It is ₹550, but I will give you, तो उनको ये सुनानी है कि MRP it is already mentioned. Okay, MRP is ₹550. MRP, who decides the MRP? The company, the brand decides the MRP. But here it is the freedom of the seller to sell the product at lower price, because once the seller actually buys the product from the company through distributor, then the seller actually has to pay only hardly ₹300, ₹350. ठीक है. So here if the seller sells the product at ₹490, then he will make a profit of ₹140. तो इनकी आजादी है, right? But I will give you a discount of 10%, because 10% डिस्काउंट का मतलब क्या होता है? 550 minus 55 means ₹495, right? Discount of 10% with respect to the MRP, with respect MRP के अनुसार, मैक्सिमम रिटेल प्राइस with respect to the MRP. ब्लॉक लेटर में लिख दें, you need to pay rupees, now 495, he is saying pay me 490 only, और भी ₹5 मैं कम कर देता हूं, pay rupees 490 only. Okay, last 2 or 3 more lines. Buyer, do you accept card? So he is thinking that he will not pay cash, because if he pays cash then he needs to take cash, right? ₹10 back. Then there is a chance of, you know what is that is corona, right? Little bit as well. So do you, that's why he wants to make the payment through card only. उनको लग रहा है कि मैं कैश से नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि मैं पे करूंगा तो मेरे को ₹10 लेने पड़ेंगे, तो उसमें एक डिजीज की पॉसिबिलिटी भी है, right? Though everyone has to do, but it's a kind of his choice only. Definitely nowadays, from certain point of views, if you make the payment using your card rather than cash, it is better. Okay, do you accept card? Means he is talking about credit card, debit card, whatever. Card, seller is saying, of course I do. Now buyer, here is the card, pack the bottle using wrapping paper. तो ये बॉटल बर्थडे पार्टी में देने जा रहे हैं, तो जो गिफ्ट वो ले रहे हैं, तो उनको ये उनकी चाहत ये है कि the seller needs to wrap the bottle using some colorful paper as well. Pack the bottle using colorful wrapping. Wrap, W-R-A-P. Now wrapping, W-R-A-P-P-I-N-G. Colorful wrapping paper. Seller, so he has already wrapped and the buyer has already made the payment. Now end में क्या हो रहा है? Seller, here is your gift for the party. Please pay your visit again. Please visit again. Here visit is a verb. If you say please pay your visit again, so pay is a verb and visit is a noun. Okay. So please pay your visit again. It is called customer relationship. Who started the dialogue? The seller started the dialogue. So you need to end the dialogue of the buyer. Okay. Buyer, of course I will do, or you may write I do as well. I will do. Thank you so much. That's it. Okay, that is done. So please write down, I will provide the pages, and please write down both the dialogues or conversation in your fair copy of English, grammar and composition. You need to make a partition, already you know. Again I am reminding you for the new students, if anyone joined today only or yesterday only, so you need to make a partition, 2 copies, first copy for literature, both the books, second copy for grammar in the first part of the copy, and after making the partition in the second part of the copy, you have to use for composition. Okay, thank you.